Mala ka changder chai nyor ka dung din media ka changa wal ka pai warau karon kin dang rau wudi jandang rau wudi diech an mak bangut gok bay nung lar de kon de la nung yeni chang ka dung din media ka tin lat garo de region of Sudan ken win mo na dien an wal ka changa wal ka pai warau dung din media be nung la darau kel bala update ka tanda na channeling ka northern unity state ka glitch Mera oda bala message mijen mu woka ji gambel la nore gambele kata ji tuo ka gambele ne pan ka ne wale. Rewo to ka ne baga nung ye ka gwai chang dar me ka dung dit media melar ne ka go yene ko do go ri la lenga ne ti la go ne ni chang ka dung dit media online. Bi ran jo me jak lenga bi like ka bi share. Wi jo share bane ko nung wan ti lenga tung nore ne me ba ku le shop. Update nyamandan chakalaro baga nung ye edu glitch and rajo ko ni dia ko glitch chakap refit support post that can all the complication about kabe kap kaje involvement of South Sudan government wo je tede che la finidi and rajo dien chaka nung ye la full coverage ka dung dit media ka ko ni ndaro pai wot lu ron wana na mesi damandana baga nung ye bad glitch e woje daga bombardment ni very heavy bombardment mi shemenen kon por ko mo shiro lat pan ga tyang to order from 5 o'clock at 5 p.m. ga tyang si drone kana war plan in Sudan government cha glitch attack ka multiple attack cha central processing unit la CPU of the oil la dung South Sudan alama jama men ku kan all the pipeline to cha connect ke wel me ku ro rum tin cha bok below that central processing unit is in the heart of the oil production ke glitch ke unity ke lew so na no jenen kon maidemo plus many damage tichiro lat timat ke forceful shutdown e chaga gaje ken technician te ko de tin ke benebe ke refit support first plus tin chala ben ngar tin refit support force before kando kon bomb a Sudan government ko take a very important equipment to cha waiting to cha nangaken to cha loot it so mulu ko that area of glitch the oil production is automatically altered te chong. The question of Baku Lebene, King Ubalel, Chakara Jorapan, plus political complication comes to Sudan, and North Sudan, the current situation. Tandan is South Sudan government in Bolgaje, the conflict of Sudan, unknowingly. There is a like. And then this bombing of today, which oil industry of South Sudan, paralyzed. Completely paralyzed. And we don't know what will happen next. And what the next step that will be taken. So more I call about that area of glitch, one bar gazelle, since the cupboard or Kordofan. So much walked in a threat. A threat to Kumajan, Mentagin over Sudan. A threat, Gumadan and take care of it support force, Chabalong, put back. By you, we attack a Corona Sudan. Let South Sudan stand as a country. They will not accept it. They would take a power more than South Sudan army. You could take a would do them all. By population, they want to buy arrest. The Sudan government will you care one more. By destruction, ballot, a man in the Bentiu. But Beno Bentiu one Korean. And this is because South Sudan government in born politics of Sudan, a Kenya plan. Plus, which I got forced. Kuka Balnerable Median Pelea Mimugua, Chago force, a army beta imiti. Go where the no kind of one look at bigger land, keep bigger settle, because South Sudan territory. So, and which are development of this morning that in general, right now, and nature to work at a bombing mid intensive that we see destruction. Michi contribute ke te yagalat pan. Ko the oil industry of South Sudan is completely zero. So right contin ko and a victory ka revolutionary can people of South Sudan. Kudi oil lime kwalep ta benefit the people of South Sudan. Tele dul wal, tele dul gor, tele chare, tele de kokien dungurke. A chap and a dividends of the oil can a mal can independence of South Sudan which are achieved together. So only few people are benefiting. Kwa oil money kwa ala nakne o kien na ka sharp like we are seeing the hiring of foreign troops. Primarily political influence region because of the oil money. So the more oil is flowing, the more this government, the government of Salva Kiir, will take a power. Kuba machine ke, alamai kure, baka kok, baka moy ka day, baka foreign troop, baka no, baka internal maliciat, baka form using the money. We are talking Manatu is a victory, a revolution, and we will see the way forward together. The ability you, we will use again other people in the name of the country, in the name of the government of South Sudan. So Rajamo clearly is about the development of Northern Unity State and all. And by the way, Nuer, sometimes, they involve at last. Yenta willing kono go and entire panacha on the government of South Sudan ko take a monitoring troop to the form area of oil field. Today Jago and big take a monitoring of facility. Go can con book or wine that can con book. Can condemn it yet and wadong ballet. So Chajan no go walk and a tour in the middle. Chauru Alma call call. Chajago de la commander of the oil field. So that means we can know they will die there. We only win oil. We shall go to. So unfortunately, she may have a Bagan and get Bakuga. Keep Bakupano, Bapan. So that is the area of English. We talk about it. Chaka today, Alakon Chaka mentioned. Now we come to the issue of Gambela region. Gambela. Chara Akbar yar LinkedIn this following day. Akbar the Jek. Akbar the Jek one and Anuak would can Nakanore Raka Gambele. Nakanore Edwop, Chator Bieli, Chaka attacks. We learn about all these things called Runamake up to yesterday. Chatur Bill Mijian Galara, Mijian Nurzun, where Gambele Chap, Edwop Chadwine Mike. The same area, I thought we shall have born. She bought a year in the center of town, Kabang, one of the bank, which was grand. Nuer official of the bank, including community leaders. Take a thin money professional. One of them was a candidate of PhD. So about attack. But thank you about two of them. But thank you we bought. That was yesterday in Gambela. Kabarato. So we cannot talk about all the development because when I'm talking about Gambele, I have an experience about Gambele. So Gambele is a year 2025 million or been threatened, but they cannot settle in Gambela because the development of Gambela in the stage of today, 2 crore. So when I say what I experience of Gambela, I go Gambela from 1995 up to 2002. I have an experience of Gambela. I live in Gambela. So I go power to Gambela Medan, and they still exist. The Gambela up to today, the Gambela town. In the state, she expand to many locations to tell at that time. Power and take can I power. You cannot think of today would ever because of 1, 2, 3 reasons. Till a reason they can't which are framed. No way. So there are historic conflict at Gambela, come Nuer, Kanabar. So the only thing I right now, Jordan, when there is a core in Gambela, La Nakana Nuer, well, Naka Nuer, she will Jaga Joy Core, Chajoy is organization. That organization is that we talk about it, when the Dialco Nuer let them organize themselves. If there is an issue like this. So Gambela me talk a medan talk a Nuer taught Nuer to roll Nuer. Nere mon Ethiopia or den moral Nuer. Re Gambel ten Nuer thin, lakin one birthin. And not the reason go the Orient. It's because of the cultural thing go Nuer la Maganishing, Maganishing medan come on Regambel to bury with a Regambel and one. One of the historic conflict in Analago that are many conflict to Gambel to allow education. Tung Nuarago Bagoro Gambele, Bagor and Tamil right burger, right bring it was a problem which you take a core, which you knew to about 40. Suganak a period of 2 days, Gambele 1998. And I remember I was a student in Gambela Garas Governor. Chuankoro Mayater. God will go to a Koromater, Swater and Nuer Okian, Manbe you took Nuera with the help of one of the Nuer men. Guru Shala Bullcat, at a bullcat, I wish Yatega Gambelda. He was the Deputy Minister of Education, Kagambel. Tabarte and Yamde. Pen go took Nuera, Pen Bagor, number 1. Pen Ganuer, Teji and Garabajis come to Pen over Gara Gambela High School, number 2. Swater. So bull cat stand very firm, Kerger and Nuer, Sutadiala Sugar Naja. Up to now, we don't have a problem of Tungnuara Gambela Garaya, bad core. And what they call Nuer taught. Not today. Today, Mere Gar, Chinuara Gari at Gambele. Nuer they contribute to the Ethiopian activities, national level. Nickel core din. Outside their mission, the internal representative, the contact government, the House of Federation. So, unlike the time we done, it was a Gambela ESP. So, today, we look better. Could be a peaceful. At the interest of the Ethiopian government, we are let a country and thin Kaladiaka, a look at it. In the Gambel, tell you a choice, you know what a Gambel, choice do know you for attack yourself. And we are running down, Largon, and we know Coneo Ken and Nana. That tell Ramadame to get Gambel, but at this time, I will do Gambel. But now and then, like Kin will be a running down, King will be a common core, much a la core, with the objective. You must pipe for a reason. They are quoted for a reason that Michi out of Miam Kumabunya. God couldn't care to Kumabunya. We are watching as a community of Nuer Manganga Jenen. Number 1, security dun. It's an existential threat. Kabar. Come on, no more a land. Land and a land eastern Baro River. To Yangaitang. What Penagatia gap. Ngayon win the allocorn the Wiji Kaitan and Dan. Nico Quat. Nico Akade. One of a ball. We Pena Gambele. Where and the pin. When I got here a gap. Let him all land word. Where to go West Bank or Baro River. Look at the tongue, 2 o'clock the tongue, Kuyirmo. That objective, let you for 2 reasons. Number 1, a land. Number 2, Mukan Baramat, which you carry Okwich. And what a car line with Yermo. They will still kill you by now. A position that you can tell to the government of Ethiopia, go Baraka Okwich, Konokodo the Kuyir. That is it. About Okwich. Because why didn't Kuyir by Banaka ball, Saibanaga Kade, Saibanaga beer up. Nini dub Gambela Kula the vital rule, Kuyan the Jelly, Mukuyel connect the Gambele, come like an Nuer, la Nuerzud. Up to win. There are money in over here. And one of the objectives. So, Gambele Mete and Temple. tele la wona ne ga ja in wishi ana malelo she question of ga ja alone so she yen ga ja koro du de kono te question of gambel a question mulu no re dial whoever in gambela today kono ro ga ja ku benefit she ga ja de kono wa gambela benefit kono re dial ne ko low ne ko dor ji kai ne ko bentiu ne ko panga we have a ratio of our children is dual goro gambela to go. So that interest alone can be protected by anyone. So the question of Gambela today, here Dungajak, let us forget about Ogajak, Magajak, whoever is able to Gambela to protect the land of Gambela, Eladu. Jiloa, Jinga Juk, Jinga War, Jilak, Jimbentio, as long as the Jin were with Gambela. It is your home. The same like Ken bought who claim, but I can't go jure. But I can't go for shall. They are done a Kubunu, while Ken Jiro Gambela to Dora. There is no reason. And which are Gano, a Dungambel. Go, Conwaridial, we know. Gambela Chai, you but by an act, unless you organize yourself. Colonization don't be take objective. Oh, we stop one and for all in this security threat. It will go quick. Go on quick. So history can teach you that job biaka ngai ke tidi ari lara gambele si yen generation dan da gambele so rala kan je gwa dan ne kan gurutin because the children go da gambele kan ga ne ente kon ya da gambele through difficulties through problem. Example of that was Galwapal was in Gambela his childhood. You know how Gambela grew up amano Nuer Breaking Gambela ko Gambela Milan was all about 4 areas ka Gambela kene ko fire Nuer Ajen Ulan, Ajen Donglei, Ajen Chankwar, Ajen Dalkuch, Ajen Kotaba. Ajen area of Corona. So near Garfa, our Baba Chang of Korun. And now, Gambele, they should not get a gap. No border of El Babur, no Baral Kala, no Gambel, Canela Babur, Kayes back. So the man of Malaro and Nebu Norigiantinu. So Mulat Burger, the Mola Gajamas, we always say, Lara, you would never miss up for the side issue of Gambele. Go on and nature, you do all can come a criminal kill. Go me, I'm machine or not, a Bamuika yo, with objective of open Nori because cat. If you got Porto Gambele, if it was also done. Nonsense. Money and you have to organize yourself. And your objective is to go quick. Brother, East Bank, I walk West Bank. We are like a Kuba Bunyan, we are in a Katrina Munia. So, right more, write me Gambel. And the message is very clear. Gambel, we are firm, which I had never used in a bar this time. Nigga tired to walk again. And the only problem is organization. You organize yourself. Have an objective. Issue of land, and if you do not organize land, come land cannot secure. Like the East Bank of Gambela region, Bukan is Baro. Tell me yellow. We burn would quite agitate. So in summary, we talk about situation glitch. Talk about you picture a Kelu. Go on and development of Banaga war, Katawa Kamiam. Again, we talk about this issue of Gambela. Our message, Chetayalanake, we Gambel. So the raw can the Aldo Nega Choloco Wale, Kachanka Wal Kapai Waro, and who can have then, can information in Yagadung Din Media, Balawijo Tiang, Katako Ken Bagalo Jecto, Lola Ted Go Shiagoling, Ushukre.